Welcome to the video. We're going to be taking a look at this Olympia portable typewriter from 1963. It is a model SM-7, and I'm not going to turn the typewriter over. The serial number's on the bottom. This is the serial number for this typewriter. And a quick look at typewriterdatabase.com for the SM-7. That is 220 something, produced in 1963. The next year, the next models came out. So this is the last year of the SM-7 model. This one is in good condition. It does have some paint wear where the original owners' wrists were resting probably while they were using the typewriter. The keys all appear to be in good condition. We'll look under the hood in a minute. This is the font. And I did not replace the ribbon. That's the ribbon that's installed. Could probably use a new one, I guess, but that looks pretty decent. The more you get into that ribbon, probably the better it's going to get, because it's not going to be as dry on the inner parts. We'll open it up in just a second. Haven't found anything on this typewriter that doesn't work. The tab works fine. And yeah, everything is good. The bell dings when you get to end of line, and it seems to function very smoothly. There we go. And then I think it's right here. Yeah, this is where you set your spacing, and you can even set it whenever you carriage return. You can set it to not space at all, or double space, maybe even triple space. I'm not sure how many different settings they have here. I think it looks like you can go up to triple space maybe right here. But yeah, excellent condition. We'll go all the way around the side. Over here too, there is a sticker right here. Crescent Typewriter Exchange, St. Charles Street. That's in New Orleans. That's where it was bought. I did also notice, it does have this, which I'll go ahead and put it down now so I don't break it. That's a little paper support. You hit that button and that pops out. Okay, and you can see this one was made in Western Germany. Also, there is a number scratched on the back there, and it says EBR. It may have been that might be a property designator for government, East Baton Rouge Parish in Louisiana. And I'm going to take this paper out so I can see the whole thing. Okay. And like I said, on the bottom is a serial number. That'll be in the photos. Oh, we need to take the lid off here. Lifts off pretty easily. There's slots here, and let's see if we can. There, you can see that slot there. That connects on these pins here, and there's another one right here. And y'all can kind of see the innards there. And it works very smooth. I didn't experience any sticky keys or anything. That's not to say you won't want to get it cleaned or serviced at some point, but it does seem to operate pretty smoothly. And then whenever you put this back, just want to make sure you go into those little pins and then come down. I did have to kind of slide that out the way. I am doing this one-handed. There, that's back in place. Also comes with this case. It has some general wear just for normal use, but it's not bad at all. You could see there. I think it has the feet on it. Let's take a look at the feet. And it's got feet here, and then it uses the hinges here. And then there is a lock here. Don't have the key. We do have a few other accessories, which I'll show y'all in a minute. Okay. And this is where the typewriter mounts here. And it mounts smoothly. Also, this is stamped made in West Germany. Also, we have this little pamphlet here, probably a quick instruction guide maybe, or this might be the full thing, although it has a lot of good information, setting margins and all that kind of stuff. And then finally, with this typewriter, it has this little cleaning kit with the original brushes. It's got this little thing here, I'm not sure what that is, and then it has the official, I guess I could position it like that, Olympia cleaning cloth. So thanks so much for watching.